Hello everyone. Here we have, there are 7 people who are from 7 different countries, not necessarily in that order. They play a chess tournament. Each of these 7 players is divided into team A or team B. So we have team A and we have team B. Who all are there in team A? Team A has P, R, U and V. P, R, U and V. And team B has Q, S and T. Okay. And each of these players belongs to a certain country that we don't know yet. But it's also given that each of the members in team A plays against one member from team B. So team A players are going to play versus team B, not amongst themselves. PRUV will play only against QST. They will not be playing amongst each other. Same is the case for QST. Okay. And until now only 2 matches have been played. So let's say match 1 and this is match 2. So each of these matches will have one player from team A and one player from team B so far. Okay. So let's see what are the conditions given to us. S is from either India or USA. So S is either from India or from USA. We are not sure from where S is. So let's just leave to it for the while. Next is the person who played against T is from Russia. So we know T is playing one of the matches. So T is from team B, that means T is playing versus Russia. So one of the players from team A will be from Russia. Out of PRUV, one of them will be from Russia. S did not play against V. So V is not playing against S. This is what we know from the third point. Q is from neither USA nor from India. So Q is neither from USA nor from India. So this is neither USA nor India. Okay. Next is the games that were played did not involve contestants from India and South Africa. So whoever all these 4 players, none of them is from India and none of them is from India and South Africa. None of them is from South Africa either. Okay. Next is T is from Germany. Okay, so T we know is from Germany. So one thing is fixed, that T is from Germany. So one of the matches is between Russia and Germany here. Okay. Next, the person who played against S is from UK. Now we know one of the persons is S. That means second match team B's players will be S versus the opponent country will be UK. S is playing versus UK. So one of PRUV will be from UK and one of them will be Russia. Now we know S can be either from India or from USA, but none of the players from India is playing. That means S is not from India. S is from USA here. Okay. So this will be USA over here. Next is U is from South Africa. Okay. So, or rather, the person who played against S is UK. That's done. U is from South Africa. So this comes out to be South Africa over here. Fine. And V is neither from USA nor Russia. So V is neither USA nor Russia here. Okay, fine. So what are the countries that are left? We know Q cannot be from USA or from India. So which country can Q be from? Q cannot be from Russia and UK also, because Russia and UK teams are, or Russia and UK players are from team A. So Russia, UK, Germany, USA are gone. Germany, Russia, where is Russia? UK and USA. These are gone. Germany is also gone. South Africa is U, so South Africa is also gone. So we're left with Australia and India. So we're left with Australia and India. Q cannot be from India. That means Q has to be from Australia. So this is Australia here. So Australia is also gone. So we're left with India. So in team A, one of the players will be from Russia, one of them will be from UK and one of them will be from India. Okay. Fine. Now let's focus on V over here. Okay. So can T play against V? No, because V cannot be from Russia. So T cannot play against V. Can S play against V? No, this is already given. S cannot play against V. So that means V can neither be from Russia nor from UK. So V cannot be from UK either. That means the only country left for V is India. V can only be from India. Okay. So now the two countries remaining are Russia and UK. So either P can be from Russia and R will be from UK. So we'll have either this P or R will be from Russia and P will be from UK. So Russia or UK, UK or Russia. There is no limitation or there is no boundation for P and R which country they can be from. So they can be either from Russia or UK interchangeably, P and R. So this is the combination that we have, and these are the two matches that we have. Let's look at the questions now. First question is, the players from which of the following countries could have played one of the matches? Germany, Australia? No, we had a match of Germany and Russia, so that's not possible. USA and Germany? USA and UK are having a match, that's also not possible. USA and UK? Well, yes, USA is playing versus UK, hence option C is the correct answer. Next question, which contestant belongs to Australia? Well, for Australia, this is Austria, I have written it Austria, it should be Australia. Q is from Australia here, hence the answer is option B. Next, which of the following countries is the contestant S from? So S is from USA, hence the answer is option A, USA. And finally, question 4, who among the following played against S in the tournament? So who is playing against S? Either it is P or it is R from UK. Either P or R. So it will be either option A or option B. We cannot say for sure. Hence the answer is cannot be determined over here. Okay. So that's it for the set. Thank you.